Welcome back to Andrea Cleaning and Life Hacks, my friend. Have you ever rubbed Vaseline or petroleum jelly around your stove? I have made a video on this that is highly viewed, and it's very controversial because many of you tell me how dangerous it is. Yes, it can be dangerous, but let me just show you a little something about this. Now, I made a previous video where I lit a dryer sheet on fire covered in petroleum jelly, aka Vaseline, and a cotton ball. Can you guess which one actually lit on fire? Let us know in the comments box below if you know the answer to this. So why might we use something like this? Of course, use everything with caution. These are my cleaning hacks that I use in my home. If you choose to do them, you do everything at your own risk. But let me just show you a little something. Why do I like this? Because it shines it up really nicely, and a little goes a long way. So I just have a microfiber towel right here, a little Vaseline. I absolutely love this. It buffs out hard, stuck on grease. Have you ever used Goo Gone on stickers and it's like gooey and slimy and kind of oily? Yeah, it's because the oils help lift. Look at right there, shiny, 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 shiny. So good. Now let me just, for those of you that are skeptical, let's just take a bunch of Vaseline and let's just light this baby on fire and see what actually happens. Okay, let's just pretend. Anything happening, guys? Are we blowing up? No, it just melts. So I stand by it that a little bit of Vaseline used with caution can shine up your stove, your stainless steel, better than almost anything else on the market. Look at that right there. I'm even gonna shine some of these up right here. Yes? All right, my friend. Give this video a thumbs up. Click the video on screen now for some additional cleaning and life hacks that will make your day. And I will see you in the next one.